Okay, so in today's episode of Gav Details, we are going to be checking how the original formula Mckee's 37 paint coating is holding up. If the vehicle looks familiar, it should. I have a video that shows how to apply the Mckee's paint coating with the same vehicle. The coating has been on since September of 2017. It is April 22nd of 2018. So the truck's dirty. We've had some snow and salt on the roads over the last couple weeks, so it's probably been 2 to 3 weeks since the vehicle's been washed. It's already been rinsed. The wheels and tires are done, so this would be a dirty rinse off here. It does appear to have a large amount of pooling over the entire surface of the front door. The Mckee's glass coating is holding up well. And the only part that I can tell on the vehicle that is still beading, even when dirty, would be the roof. The hood here. It takes a little bit of time for the water to run off. So we are going to pre-foam the vehicle with the upgraded Amazon foam cannon and the Chemical Guys Honeydew snow foam. We are going to wash the vehicle with CarPro Reset, and then we will retest both wet with the pressure washer and with free-flowing water. Okay, so the truck is washed and rinsed. This driver's side was rinsed first, and as you can see there in the reflection of the light, the middle to the lower panels are still saturated with water. You can see the hood isn't too bad. This side was rinsed right before I grabbed the camera, and even from the top of the door and down, unfortunately there's almost no beading, so definitely no sheeting. So like I said, this is the original formula, so if you're interested in the Mckee's paint coating, they do have an updated formula. So let's go ahead and see what it does when it's rinsed. So the vehicle is garage kept. It's not driven often, you know, annually, maybe 7,500 miles a year, and it's washed regularly. So to further the test, we'll go ahead and try the free-flowing water. Coming back to the hood here, free-flowing water doesn't really make a difference. I mean, the panel is sheeting the water, but it's taking an awfully long time. So, conclusion, maybe the original formula of the Mckee's paint coating isn't that great. Luckily, I do have a product that I mentioned in a previous video that may help rejuvenate the existing coating, but you'll have to come back and check in for that episode of Gav Details. So for a paint coating update, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.